Yay!
Yay! All right, what do we do about multiple wires? Let's figure out the magnetic field at some point in space. Due to two wires, let's cross the wires like this, I1 and I2. Let's say that, let's keep it easy. I1 is 1 amp and I2 is 2 amps. And so I got this little point, and I want to figure out what is the magnetic field at that point due to both of the wires. And here's the tricky thing. The tricky thing is you have to figure out at that point, are the magnetic fields going into the page or out of the page? Are they adding or subtracting with each other? That's the whole key. We already know for any particular wire, the magnetic field, the magnitude of it is going to be mu naught I over 2 pi times the distance. So at that point, all right, let's see. The magnetic field due to wire 1, if you use the right hand rule, stick your thumb in the direction of I1 and curl your right fingers around your thumb. So the magnetic field due to 1 is going into the page. That's the symbol for into the page. And the magnetic field from wire 2 should be coming out of the page at that point. Okay, so let's do the positive one, the coming out of the page one first. So the total magnetic field is just going to be mu naught over 2 pi times, what is that going to be, 2 over, and let's say this is 1 centimeter and 2 centimeters. That's where the point is. So this is going to be 2 over 0.01, and then minus, because the other one is going into the page, so it's going to be mu naught over 2 pi, and that's going to be 1 over 0.02. And so when you do this, what do I get? 3 times 10 to the minus 5th Tesla. Okay, so there's the combination of the fields. And so then, just for fun, let's do another point. Maybe this is point A, let's say. Point B, where did I choose point B? Maybe point B, just so we can see something else happen. So let's suppose this is up here. Here's B. So again, if you're up there, now the field due to I1 is coming out of the page, because I'm on the other side of I1, and the field due to I2 is also still coming out of the page. I'm still on the same side of I2, right? So at B, both of the fields will add together instead of fighting each other. So this is going to be mu naught over 2 pi, and the first one, I1, so it's going to be 1 over 0.01, plus now mu naught over 2 pi 2, and now I'm 0.02, 2 centimeters away from that one. And what did I get? This will give me a stronger field, 4 times 10 to the minus 5 Tesla. Okay, so the whole name of the game is wherever a point is, you have to figure out first the direction of the magnetic fields. Are they fighting each other or are they adding together? So you have to figure out, should you be adding or subtracting them? And that's where people get messed up most commonly, is they either always just add the fields together or they just get the directions wrong. So that's something to watch out for.